Alright, welcome back. And in this video you are going to learn the easiest people you could possibly sell to. Now, the reason why this needs to be mentioned is because what happens is a lot of people try and sell directly to cold traffic, and it is possible. You will see that happen within this course. But those aren't going to be the easiest people to sell to. That's actually going to be a significantly hard sell for anyone and everyone. It's always going to be hard to sell to somebody immediately unless they've just been indoctrined into you as a person already, unless they've already been committed and they are consistent with watching you. If they know you, that would be warm traffic though. We're talking about completely new people, and we want to know the easiest people that we can possibly sell into. And there are two points in a buyer's journey, which you will learn more about, where people are going to be significantly easier to sell to. And that is so that is the first person who is going to be significantly easier to sell to versus anyone else is someone who literally just got something for free from you. This is how we make reciprocity work in our favor. If you're giving someone something, the easiest way to get a sale is to sell them something immediately after. And that is because you know reciprocity exists. You know that people feel inclined to give you something after you've just given them something. So the way we make this work in our favor is by having something to be sold right after. So if you were to see, hopefully you can kind of see this, my little baby funnel. When we were talking about the lead magnet funnel, the first thing we do is give them something for free. And then immediately after that, we try to get them to buy something. And that is going to lead into the second person who is even easier to sell something to instead of this person, which is someone who just bought something from you. This is going to be the easiest person you could possibly sell to. Where a lot of people make the mistake is they try to get as many new people as possible instead of trying to sell more stuff to the people who they just got to buy something. Because for whatever reason, right after we buy something, you're gonna notice it happens with all of us, but there's going to be a certain type of person who they are just in the buying mood in that exact moment, and the way you capitalize on those people is by having upsells. This is why funnels work so well. It's because you're able to actually capitalize on the people who are in the mood to buy a bunch of stuff, especially in regards to whatever it is that you're selling. And we'll talk more about that when we go over strategies you want to think about upsells. But just know that the easiest person you could possibly be selling to is someone who has just bought something from you. So these are the two people who are easiest to possibly sell to. You want to keep this in mind when you are marketing to whoever it is that you're marketing to. And we're going to go more in depth with the people you're marketing to and how you want to be approaching them in the next video. So see you in the next one.